Alright, hello everyone, it's Team Rocket Dross here with another Pokemon card opening. And for this video, guys, we got ourselves the Ultra Ball, which I thought I opened already, but it seems like I haven't. So I mentioned in actually a lot of episodes, guys, that I've actually opened this ball tin. And to be honest, as you guys can see, I haven't done so. I honestly thought I did, but here it is, guys. And it's just like the other ones. Just in case you guys haven't seen the other ones, make sure to go check them out. It just contains 2 packs and the coin. So 3 Pokemon. Oh no, I guess there's 3 of them and 1 Pokemon coin. So my bad, guys, I didn't mean 3, to be honest. And let's see if we could open this really quick. Oh, this is probably the first one that I was able to open without using my X-Acto knife. There we go. That's actually pretty good. And yeah, guys, so just in case you guys were thinking of getting these, they're actually really nice. Like, just having it as a collection, it's actually pretty cool. Let me get rid of my X-Acto knife. I don't want to cut myself on camera. The only bad thing is that they get these really easy to get dents on them, so that's the unfortunate part. To be honest, this one I don't think it has any major dents. It is a little bit dirty just because I've had it for a while now, but it doesn't seem to have any major dents inside. So I'll put a price on screen to how much these are worth. And yeah, so there we go. We got the coin on top. I was gonna say how come I can't hear it, but it seems like it's actually stuck on there. And let's see if it's that Raichu, because if it's a Raichu, then all of them have a Raichu. Oh no, it's a Lucario. What? This is the first time I get a Lucario. Usually it's all the same coin, which has been a Raichu. So in this pack we have a Sun and Moon Burning Shadows, Evolutions, and a Lost Thunder. Okay, so I think we're gonna go like this with the Lost Thunder going second, just because I haven't opened it that much. But it's really easy to see the dents right here. You guys can see there's a few right there, and then this one's the one that I'm surprised I don't really see any. There's one right there, you guys that are able to see. But these are really cool, just having as a direct decoration, like I mentioned before. Just having this somewhere, it's actually really cool. So I have 2 dust balls. I opened 1 on camera. I got 2 Pokeballs. I opened 1 on camera, and then I also have a dive ball, and then as well as the great ball. So these are actually really cool. So let's get started. The coin though, that's actually pretty cool. So I wonder if I just been really unlucky and gotten the same coin with all the other ones. And yeah, so let's open the Burning Shadows. Got Dabbing Duskull again. It's actually a pretty funny card. Alright, so let's go for the code card. Bam, right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, because I do think they have a energy card, and they do. So we're gonna start off with the lightning energy, which I always mistake for a thunder one. The other day, guys, it was thundering here, like really loud. It woke me up like around 4 in the morning, and it was kind of scary just how loud they were, just because for Northern California we don't really get those. And the other night, more like it, actually I never seen that card before. Wow, okay, that's gonna be one for one of my favorite cards. Rhyhorn, our reverse is a Persian, which is actually a rare. I've never seen that card either. That's actually a pretty cool art. And then for a rare and final card off the pack, it's gonna be a regular rare Butterfree. So I have seen this one before. That Persian is actually pretty cool. So thanks to Robot, guys, every time that we open a pack or one of these, we're gonna choose our favorite art set or art card, and I think for this pack it's gonna be that Caterpie. And then at the end of the video we'll choose our overall favorite pack, like art card, I guess, where we don't pick the card by playable, but just more for looks. So we got a quick card right there, and now 1, 2, 3, 4, put that to the back. And there we go. We're gonna start off with the Steel Energy, Detonate, Adventure Bag, Skip Bloom. Haven't seen this card either. Floral Path to the Sky, Pachirisu, Poplio, Spinnerack. Haven't seen this one either. or this one in Kata. I haven't opened many Lost Thunders, to be honest. Eevee, or reverse, is a Kecleon, which is a non-common. Ability unit color 1. As long as this Pokemon has a unit energy of leaf, fire, water attached to it, it is a leaf, fire, and water Pokemon. Okay, and our rare of the pack, it's gonna be a Holo Scizor. Nice, that's gonna be my favorite one right now. So sorry, Caterpie, but this one's taking it so far. It's actually a really cool art right there. That's another card that I haven't seen. I'm glad that I got too. Look at this art. Man, that's a beautiful card, guys. I won't lie, that's a beautiful card right there. Wow. That's amazing right there. And it has a exoskeleton. This Pokemon takes 30 damage, less damage from each attack after applying weakness and resistance. It has 120 health. Special blow, it deals 60 plus. If your opponent's active Pokemon has any special energy attached to it, this attack does 70 more damage. Whoa, this is like 130. That's actually probably a playable card as well. So now for the evolutions, I got like 10 booster packs, guys, that I still need to open from evolutions. And then if you guys haven't seen the last time that we opened one of these packs, it was kind of crazy. We got some crazy pulls out of it, stuff that I wasn't expecting, or we weren't expecting. Got a code card that was the other way around, unfortunately. But I think it's 3. I don't think it's 4. I don't think evolutions did the energy thing. So we're gonna start off with the trainer maintenance. Oh, there we go. We got one of these right here. So it's an Executor, which is a rare. I don't remember if I have this, to be honest. We got a Mrs. Determination, a Weedle, Machop, Tangela, Vulpix. Oh, they do have the energy. Fire energy. Ooh, there we go. We got a reverse water energy. There's a line going through the middle, unfortunately. I think you guys are able to see it right there. And then for a final card and a rare, we ended up with a Beedrill regular rare. So not the greatest, but it is what it is. I mean, that Scizor has to be the card of the pack, right? And then this one as well. Nice. So we got these already, but yeah, guys, I think that's gonna be it for this episode. Like I said, don't forget to pick your card, your favorite art of all the ones that we ended up getting. I gotta say my favorite one is Scizor overall. It's just an amazing beautiful card. And yeah, so pick and let me know in the comment section, art wise, which one is your favorite one out of all the ones that we ended up getting this on this opening. Like Scizor, guys, pick Scizor. Look at him. Alright, guys, but yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this episode or this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos, and I guess I'll just catch you guys on the next one. Team Rocket Draws